learning the alphabet. Come join the fun. Learning our letters, everyone.
The ABCs are fun to learn. Every letter has a turn. From A to Z, we sing and play. Hip hip hooray for a sunny day. A is for astronaut floating in space, dancing with a playful grace. B is for bear so cute and white, swaying gently, oh what a sight. C is for cow, a friendly cute pal, waving her hoof saying hello y'all. D is for dolphin, a happy pink friend, dancing and singing with joy that won't end. E is for eagle, soaring so high, flapping his wings across the big sky. F is for fox, an orange delight, dancing and playing with all of his might. G is for ghost, wiggling with glee, floating around saying boo to me. H is for hippo, a happy purple friend, dancing with joy right until the end. The ABCs are fun to learn. Every letter has a turn. From A to Z, we sing and play. Hip hip hooray for a sunny day. I is for ice cream, a sweet yummy treat, spinning with sprinkles, oh so complete. J is for jaguar, running so fast, sleek and quick, meant to last. K is for kangaroo, a mama so sweet, with a baby peeking, oh what a treat. L is for llama, fluffy and bright, changing her colors with all of her might. M is for Mickey, so happy and grand, dancing with joy all across the land. N is for Narwhal, so cute and so round, floating gently without a sound. O is for orange, juicy and sweet, dancing with happy little fruit feet. P is for panda, so cuddly and dear, dancing with a happy, joyful cheer. The ABCs are fun to learn. Every letter has a turn. From A to Z, we sing and play. Hip hip hooray for a sunny day. Q is for quail with her tiny chicks near, walking along, banishing fear. R is for rocket, zooming so fast, flying to space, a journey to last. S is for submarine, cute and bright pink, bobbing underwater, what do you think? T is for turtle, a little green dancer, jumping with joy, what a sweet chancer. U is for UFO with cute cats inside, flying through space, taking a cosmic ride. V is for van, a cool blue machine, driving on adventures, a wonderful scene. W is for watermelon, juicy and bright, dancing with joy day and through the night. X is for Xylophone, keys bright and grand, playing sweet music across the whole land. Y is for yo-yo, going up and down, spinning and waving all around town. Z is for zebra with stripes black and white, running so fast, a wonderful sight. Yay! We learned our ABCs! ABC. From A to Z, with such great